Yeah, that is, one of the most important thing on recognizing these brain areas on the scan is that you have to check them and visualize them many times in order to recognize them. So what is very cool of Explain Everything is that we can put the image together and we try to explore and draw on top of it and to be sure that we are recognizing the same area. For example, there is a very nice area called area of Broca, so Broca's area, which is very important for us because it's the center for motor function and for language production. So that area has a really nice shape of a heart, of like an M. So my student can now easily draw it and recognize it thanks to this tool of Explain Everything, in which they have been already practicing so many times drawing on top of the scan. I think the most impact was now in the pandemic because they realized like that it is much more interactive. Before it was just, watching a lecture and just, see the nice examples. And I think the interaction that Explain Everything gives you, it is far more interesting for them because they can interact directly on your board. And it's not just like, marking with a pen. It's just not like that. They can completely switch and change things inside my lecture.
Como por aquí. No
Ya.
pasó nada.
¿Alguien más que se casa con otra zona?
So it gives them far more freedom to perform changes. And actually have been discovering through these lectures that in the way how they move and they change my presentation actually is the way how they learn the most by, being flexible on the material. And then I also learn a lot like, oh, look, this is the way how I should present the next time. So it is mutual learning. I learn from them in the way how they give me this feedback, manipulating my material. And I think they also learn by just experimenting more with my slides.